Pivotal traders. So what we saw in the bank nifty today is that a test of the resistance point. A resistance point which was lying over here was tested around what date is around 8th of June, but the breakout was given yesterday itself around this level. So this resistance was broken up over here, but another resistance was lying over here. So this resistance was not honored by the bank nifty, and we saw a complete red candle at the end of the day. But this red candle was, it gave sense of it in the initial balance of today's morning session. So let's look at the morning session, how the initial balance of the bank nifty turned out to be. Let's switch it over to 5 minutes chart and see what actually happened. So as we move on to the 5 minutes chart, we see, let's put this, we see that the market opened with gap up, and with the gap up opening it gave a red candle in the downward direction, and after that we saw that the market started to operate and to build up its initial balance, and the initial balance which was formed around this level was broken around 1040, and since 1040 it broke around 300 points just to test the initial balance again and give a larger fall downwards. This was the major thing in the bank nifty which happened. The market opening gap up, but the initial balance was down, so the price was overvalued at this level, and the price was accurate at this level. So we see that initiative sellers came over here. Initiative sellers came over at this point, and thus a bigger fall was in place. Now let's also look at the volume profile which happened in the morning. So with the morning, this day which started over here gave us the initial balance around this level, and we can see that the volume was good amount at this price level, and thus there was a shorting opportunity, and at this level the price began to form some bullishness, but the initial balance showed us that the market was not to sustain, and it was done by this reversal bearish candle. This bearish candle showed us that this point, this zone, was so much important for the market to fall down all the way down. So this was the market preview for today, bank nifty. Thank you so much.